In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change all caps to lowercase in Google Docs. This is a handy feature, especially if you've accidentally left the caps lock on or need to format your text. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Drive. Simply open up your preferred browser and go to My Drive on Google Drive. Once your drive is open, you'll want to create a new document. Do this by locating the new button, which is usually on the upper left corner of the page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Google Docs. This will open up a blank document for you to work with. However, if you already have a document that you need to edit, just open that existing document instead. Now, with your document ready and your text highlighted, it's time to switch to lowercase. Start by highlighting the section of text you'd like to change. This could be a sentence, a paragraph, or even just a few words. It doesn't matter how much text. The approach will be the same. Once highlighted, look to the top of the page and find the format menu. Click on it and a drop-down will appear. You're going to navigate to the text option in this menu, which will allow you to customize your text. Once you click on text, you'll notice another menu appears. Scroll down to find capitalization. This is where the magic happens. Clicking capitalization gives you a few options: lowercase, uppercase, and title case. To transform your all caps text to lowercase, just select the lowercase option from this list. Instantly, your text will change, reflecting the new formatting. It's a simple yet powerful tool for quickly adjusting the case of your text without the need to retype anything. Now, if you ever need to switch it back to all caps or even play around with title case, simply use the same steps. Highlight your text again, click on Format, navigate to Text, select Capitalization, and make your choice. This versatility can really help with editing text to fit any style or design you might be working on. Exploring these options will give you the flexibility to customize your document easily. It can be particularly useful if you're under a tight deadline and need to ensure that your document meets specific formatting requirements. There you have it. A quick and easy way to change text from all caps to lowercase in Google Docs. With these steps, you can manage your text formatting more efficiently and ensure that your documents look just how you want them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.